Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm Zeke and welcome to the Dream Green Show. Yes, I know you see it's a brand new studio for all you new subscribers. This is gonna be my new studio. But for the time being, there is a huge market crash or market correction, whatever you wanna call it. There are a lot of stocks on sale right now, and I'm gonna tell you guys what stocks I'm buying this upcoming week, just in case if you're confused about the stock market and what's going on. I personally believe in buying the dips or dollar cost averaging in. I might go in and see a stock that I really want. I'll buy it at full value at $100. And if it drops down to $75, that's an even better value at a company that I truly believe in. So I'll pick up 2 more shares. And if it drops all the way down to $50, I'll pick up 3 more shares. That is dollar cost averaging in, or what I like to call it, buying the dip. So the market has been going down over the last the market has been going down over the last month or so, and there are a ton of stocks that I've always wanted to add more to my positions, to my portfolio, and I finally found the opportunity. The market is down around 30%, and I finally found the opportunity to add some of these shares to my portfolio. So I'm gonna give you 5 different companies I'm buying this week and exactly why. I did a market analysis on a couple of them, and some of them are actually coming out with new technology and new products. So make sure you stick to the end of this video so you don't miss out on this great information that I'm about to provide. So go ahead and hit the thumbs up for that. That helps out this channel more than you can even imagine. But before we dive into it, this video is brought to you by Webull. Sign up now by clicking the link down in the description, deposit $100, and now you can receive 2 free stocks valued up to $1,600. With those 2 free stocks, you can keep them inside the platform and decide to use it, or you can sell those 2 free stocks and withdraw all of your money. It's literally free money. Also, I left a link to Coinbase down in the description. That's by far the easiest way to buy and sell cryptocurrency. So you guys go ahead and check out those links down in the description. But enough talking, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. Welcome back, dreamers. Here we are in my Robinhood portfolio. Right now, my account is at $45,949.82. I'm currently down $2,743.08, down 5.63%. So over the week, they had a big pullback. So I'm gonna go in and pick up 5 stocks and actually 1 cryptocurrency that I'm gonna add to my positions inside my portfolio. While the market is down, while the market is on sale, I'm gonna take advantage of this opportunity. If it pulls back a little more, even over the next week, I'm gonna go in with a little bit more money and buy more stocks on sale. But right now, over the last month, they're down around 13%, $6,940. So I'm gonna go in and pick up a couple of more shares. Not all of my stocks are down. That's why I like to diversify. Overall, the market is down around 30%, and I'm only down 13%. So me diversifying my portfolio, I've actually made money in a bunch of my investments, but some of them did take a major hit. That's why I like to diversify. So let me go in and dollar cost average in on one of my favorite companies, AMD. Okay, here we are on AMD. I want to pick up at least 1 or 2 shares of AMD. It's at $78.89. I'm still up $2,032.41, up 33% on AMD. But right now, over the last month, they're down 10%. They was at an all-time high of around $93.77 over the last month. And with them being down 10%, with nothing about the company fundamentally changing at all, they didn't lose a CEO, they didn't change their model of their company, they didn't change any of the structures of the company. In fact, they just came out with DLSS. It's a technology for deep learning super sampling. The Xbox, the new Xbox Series S and the PlayStation 5, they both use AMD graphics cards, and that is gonna upscale any footage up to 4K or better, and you don't lose any frames per second, and you don't use any more extra power. This is a new technology that's hopefully gonna roll out to the new graphics cards that they're gonna put out, the 3090s, the 3080s, the 3070s, and also it's just gonna be a firmware update or an update on your Xbox and your new PlayStation 5, which is gonna make your PlayStation last even longer because the graphics are gonna be that much better. So this company had just had a pullback to $78, even though they're coming out with brand new technology. That is just the market correcting itself. That is the market taking a dip. That is the market crashing. And with them putting out great project still, with them coming out with new technology still, I don't mind picking up AMD at all. So I'm gonna go in, and when the market opens tomorrow, hopefully I'll be able to get 2 shares in at $157.78 at the market price at $78.89. So I'm gonna swipe up, and there I put in my order. The next one is Waste Management, one of Warren Buffett's favorite companies. He had a very large sum of waste management inside his portfolio for a very, very long time. It is a utility company. They dispose of all of your trash, recycles. Trash ain't going nowhere, guys. Trash is always gonna be something that us Americans, everyone across the world is gonna have to put up with, and somebody have to do the job. And Waste Management is one of the best companies at it, and they also pay a dividend of around 1.89%. I'm still up 10% on Waste Management. Even over the last month, like I said, not all of my stocks did bad. Even over the last month, Waste Management is up 5.13%. But the reason I'm picking up a share of Waste Management is because I did a technical analysis over Waste Management where the MACD just had crossed over and it broke above the flag pattern that I had drew out. In fact, if you guys want to receive these technical analysis exactly when I do them, I send them out to everyone in the Patreon that have joined the Discord. If you guys want to join the Patreon, the link is down in the comment section. I send out signals like this and technical analysis all the time over there to my Patreon members. And I played this one out for them, and it actually broke above. And I told them if it broke above that it was going to shoot up, and it did exactly just that. So if you guys want to take advantage of the opportunity and have some spots open in my Patreon, the link is down in the comment section, so don't miss out on that great opportunity. But with me doing the technical analysis on Waste Management, I think that it's going to have a slight pullback because it's at the top of the RSI. I already explained this to everybody. It's at the top of the RSI. It's going to have a slight pullback. It's going to have a slight pullback to the next zone, but I think it's going to stay above the EMA and then shoot back up to have a double top before it reaches this next resistance zone. So I'm going to go ahead and pick up 1 share of Waste Management at $118.68. I'm going to hit trade, buy 1 share, review, swipe up. Here we are on the third stock. Now I'm gonna buy Tesla. Tesla is at $596.25. In fact, over the last month, they're down 32%. This is one of the companies that's actually down 32%, but I am still up 100% on Tesla, $2,964.95. I'm going to continue to dollar cost in on Tesla every time it takes a dip. In fact, not too long ago, it was up to $852. So with it at $592, that is a great sale. I'm using Tesla to help me eventually buy the Tesla Cybertruck. So if I keep buying shares of Tesla while it's on sale, and hopefully by the time the Cybertruck come out late 2021, early 2022, hopefully Tesla will be back up to around $863, gaining me a profit, and I can sell a couple of shares to help me with the down payment on the Cybertruck. So I'm gonna pick up 1 share of Tesla. I know it's very expensive, but this is the thing. If you don't want to spend all of that money on Tesla, you can hit trade, buy, and at the top right, instead of hitting buying in shares, you hit buying dollars, and you can just buy $50 of Tesla if you want to, or if you even don't have that much, you can buy $1 of Tesla. That's the great thing about Robinhood. But I'm gonna go ahead and pick up a full share of Tesla. I'm gonna hit buy in shares, and then I'm gonna pick up 1 share of Tesla. Nah, I don't think I'm gonna pick up a full share of Tesla. That's very expensive. So I'm gonna hit buy in dollars. I'm gonna buy $250 worth of Tesla. Hit review and swipe up. And there we go. I just picked up $250 worth of Tesla when the market's open. The next one is ticker symbol GNOG, Golden Nugget Online Gambling. I am still a believer in this company. Online gambling is going to be the wave of the future, especially once they get approved across all the states. It's going to be a way that these states can create income by taxing these gamblers inside of their states. That's the reason Las Vegas has so much money, all right? So Golden Nugget Online Gambling, they're down 31%. This is another company that's down 31%. I see it as not a red flag, but as a company that's on sale because nothing fundamentally changed about the company at all that I know of. So with GNOG, it's at $13.80. I'm gonna go in and pick up a couple of shares of Golden Nugget Online Gambling. Online gambling, once again, is gonna be the wave of the future. I explained this all in one of my old videos about everything about this company. So let me go ahead and pick up a couple of shares of GNOG. Gonna hit buy. Let's say I want to buy maybe 5, no, I wanna buy 7 shares. I'm gonna go in and pick up 6 shares of Golden Nugget Online Gambling. And there we go. I got one more stock for you guys in a cryptocurrency. So let's bounce over to my last one, Chargepoint. All right, here we are on Chargepoint. Chargepoint is at $26.99. Chargepoint is one of the leading electric charging stations in the world. I think it's one of the biggest one. It owns 70-ish% of the charging station market, Chargepoint. So when America finally goes green and they want to have charging stations all across America, I think Biden said he wants over 100,000 new charging stations in North America by 2030. So the company that probably is going to get most of the grant money is the company that has 73% of the market, which is Chargepoint. Over the last month, they're down. The ticker symbol did change. It used to be SBE, Switchback Energy. Now the ticker symbol is Chargepoint. Now, if you're a subscriber of this channel, you know that I said multiple times, when the ticker symbol change, it's going to have a pullback. Go watch any of my videos. I always said when the ticker symbol finally changes over to Chargepoint, it's gonna have a pullback, and this is the pullback that we was looking for. I told you guys that it was gonna pull back. Every single video I made about Chargepoint, I said that it was gonna pull back. You can go back and watch them, and it did just that. So you guys you gonna start putting some respect on my name for real. So CHPT Chargepoint is at $26.99. This is the perfect pullback we was looking for. This is another company that is down 30%. So I'm gonna go in and finally try to get 100 shares of Chargepoint. So right now I have 89, I have to pick up 11 shares. Let's see how much that costs. Buy 11, $296. Okay, so let's go ahead and pick up 11 shares of Chargepoint. That will finally put me at 100 shares of Chargepoint. So let's hit review and swipe up. And there we go. When the market opens, I should have 100 shares of Chargepoint. So those are the 5 companies that I am going to pick up. I'm gonna give you guys 3 honorable mentions, and then I'm gonna give you the cryptocurrency I'm gonna pick up. The first honorable mention is Amazon. Amazon is down 12% on the month. Once again, you don't have to go in and buy a full share of Amazon. It's down 12%, $3,000. Might wanna wait until it dips down under $3,000. Maybe $2,999 might be a good entry point for you to pick up a couple of fractional shares of Amazon. So that one's down 12%. Also, another honorable mention, number 2, is Apple. Apple is down 10.5% at $121.48. Now, the only reason I didn't pick up Apple this week is because I picked up Apple last week on this last dip. I went in around February 25th-ish and picked up a couple of shares at 120. So I did pick up Apple last week on this last dip. So I'm not gonna pick it up again this week. So that's why it's an honorable mention. And the last honorable mention is Netflix. Now Netflix is down 6.14% over the last month. It's not down too much for me, because over the last year, Netflix is up 40%, and it might pull back just a little bit to hit a support line at around 483, 485. If it pulls back to $400-ish, 490, then I might have to go in and pick up a couple of fractional shares of Netflix. But I love this company, and whenever it has a 6% dip, that is a great buying opportunity for me, and that is Netflix. So let's go on to what cryptocurrency I'm going to buy, and you guys probably already know that is Bitcoin. So here we are on Webull. I'm on BTC USD, that is Bitcoin. I think it says the market is unavailable right now, but maybe I could put in a market order. Let's just try it out right quick, $2. And yeah, it's unavailable at the moment, but when the market opens, I'm going to end up buying, I'm sorry for this part of the video, but I'm going to end up buying at least $100 worth of Bitcoin. I try to pick up $100 worth of Bitcoin every single week. And right now, Bitcoin is at $48,943 at the time of the recording of this video. It's probably gonna be a little different by the time I put out this video, but I am a firm believer of Bitcoin. I think it's gonna reach an all-time high the second week of September 2021. That's when I'm gonna sell a decent portion of my Bitcoin in order to wait for the pullback to get right back in on Bitcoin, and to probably buy me a nice TV or something. Just remember, guys, always have fun with your profits. Don't just make a bunch of money and not have fun with any of your profits at all. And there we go, guys. That is the 5 stocks, 3 honorable mentions, and the 1 cryptocurrency that I'm going to buy on this upcoming week. I had a big decision between CCIV and NEO. Let me know down in the comment section which one of those are you guys going to pick up. Are you going to pick up CCIV, which is the luxury electric vehicle company? Or are you going to pick up NEO, the China electric vehicle company? Both of those are on sale right now at a very discounted price. Both of those are going to be very big companies because the whole China is behind NEO. And then with CCIV, Lucid, I think they got one of their designers. I think the person that's running that company is from Tesla actually. So they actually know what they're doing. And both of those companies are on sale right now. So let me know down in the comment section, which one of those companies are you gonna pick up? But hopefully you guys like the 5 picks that I gave you. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor. You have to do your own research. Don't put any of that on me. And if you want to join the Patreon, the link is down in the comment section if you want to catch some of those technical analysis. But other than that, I'm Zeke, bringing you the Dream Green Show, and I'm out. Peace.